Hey, Kylie. Thanks for reaching out. I'm going to go over 7, 8, and 9 with you. And feel free to follow along. I only have 5 minutes on this recording, so I'm going to go a little quicker than I normally would. And here we go. We have 65 equals 2 minus 9m. And again, we're trying to get m by itself, so we're going to take away 2 on both sides. I'm doing this with my hands. This is not my best on my laptop, but we're going to have to keep going. The big thing here is that's actually not a 9m, that's a negative 9m. So we have to bring down a negative 9m. That cancels out, but still have a negative 9m. And then we're just going to divide by negative 9 on both sides. Oop. Oh, nope. And we divide by negative 9. This looks a little sloppy. I'm doing this a little bit on my laptop. 63 divided by a negative 9. 63 divided by negative 9 would be a negative 7. And the big thing to remember is that's going to be a negative number. So when you plug that into your check, you take a negative 7, go to both. It should work and give you 65 equals 65 on both sides. Let's take a look at number 2. Or I should say, number 8. Here we go. And we're trying to get b by itself. We have 28 equals negative 2 plus 10b. We're going to add 2 on both sides because we have a negative 2. Get rid of that first. That goes away. And 28 plus that 2 is 30 equals, and we still have that positive 10b. And we're just going to divide both sides by 10 to get rid of that 10. It's one of those things you could probably do mental math. What times 10 equals 30? And the answer is 3. And again, when you plug that in, do your check. I'm not going to have room with my computer as it is, but when you plug in a 3 here, 3 times that 10 is 30 plus a negative 2 would give you 28 on both sides. Okay, let's take on our last one. And again, I like putting that line down the middle. Helps me to separate that it's a balanced, kind of like a balanced scale. That whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So this one here, negative 5n minus 9. We're going to add 9 on both sides. And we're still going to bring down negative 5m. So negative 14 plus that 9 is going to be a negative 5. And this is where we get these negatives in here. They're a little difficult, but we're still, to get rid of this negative 5m, multiplying, we're going to divide by a negative 5. Again, I understand negative divided by negative is positive, and m equals a positive 1. That was really quick, I know, but the main thing we're seeing on both sides here is that we're doing the exact same thing. If you add 9 on one side, you have to add 9 on the other. And vice versa, if you divide by negative 5, or in this case, negative 5, then we're going to divide by negative 5 on both sides, and negative divided by negative is positive. So hopefully this helps. And again, if you have any other questions, I know this is really, really fast. Just let me know, and we'll definitely cover it on Tuesday when I see you next. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.